Hello, everyone. It's Pam, and I want to share a little update that you might not know is, and I'm going to go up to the text right there, and then I'm like, it will show some things, but you can see now that because I've already started a couple, sorry, and they will show up right here. Now, if I want to star one, and I come across fonts for when I am creating like PLR stuff. I'm like, oh, I like that font, but I'm not going to use it for that one. What you can do is um, you're in your, and now if I go up here, this is starred. Um, See all. Okay, so that feature. Thank you, Canva. Finally. All right, guys. Thank you. I hope that helped someone today. And if you like